Welcome back to CAD/CAM tutorial. Today we are going to create a root type blower with 3 lobed rotor in SolidWorks. Here we will create each and every part separately, then we will assemble, and at the end we will make this simple animation. I hope you like it. Let's create the first part of root type blower housing. So here we will start with from this front view. You will see there is a oblong slot 96 millimeter. You will see 96 into 192. See, the thickness or width we will make 150 millimeter. Then backside there is a wall. You will see there is dotted line. This wall thickness 10 millimeter. Okay, and backside there is a hole also. This 20 diameter, and 89.69 is the distance between these two. So let's do this first. Front plane sketch. Now here I'll choose a straight slot. This radius shows here 96 millimeter and this distance 89.69 millimeter. That's it. Now we will extrude this one, and we will extrude this one up to 10 millimeter. Say yes. Now again I'll choose the same plane, front is plane sketch. Now I'll choose the previous sketch, convert entity. Now it's converted, circle. Let's create our two circles, 20 millimeter, 20 millimeter. Now you will see this circle 139.5, these two. So this portion we will extrude up to 150 millimeter from front plane. 139.5 millimeter. The similar we are going with this. Okay, that's fine. Now let's extrude. Now what we need to extrude here, I'll choose this face. See, here keep end condition blind and 150 millimeter. You will see here. Say yes. Again I'll choose the same sketch, extruded cut, and this time I'll choose these two holes. And I keep end condition through all. I think we missed something. Sorry, make reverse. Oh, that's it. The hole is created. Now let's make outer wall. Outer wall, you will see this wall, then there is this slot size 111 millimeter, but this length you will see here. Let's see here. This is actually 100 millimeter. Okay, this one actually 100 millimeter, and this one we will create up to the end wall. See here, you will see inside section view. Then we will create this hole. This hole diameter 10 millimeter, 30 millimeter deep, 15 number of holes, and here you will see distance 13.125 from this end. So I'll choose this face, sketch. Again I'll choose the same straight slot. Let me choose this 1111. Now right click, select loop, convert entities. Okay. Okay, let's create a line. Now select, okay, there is too many things, so mirror entity, see here, make sure this is vertical, mirror. I'll choose these two lines, mirror about this section, say yes. Let's define the distance, 100 millimeter. Trim entities, okay, let's define trim letter. First make close geometry. Now here no need, because we have only 3 lobes. Trim entity, now it's time to trim. Even though you don't need click power trim, move your cursor. Even though if you move, we will define this dimension first, so that our geometry should be fully defined. That's it. Even though you now let's try to use extruded boss. Basically here we need this one, and this closed geometry. Take it reverse, select through all, see up to the wall, say yes. Now let me choose this sketch. Now I'll select this one, convert entity, or even though if I am going to show center line, $10mm. If you check the distance from this end to this end, 13.125mm. That's it. Click this one for construction purpose. Extruded cut. Now this depth is 30mm. Now let's hide. Now here we will use curve driven pattern. First we need to choose sketch. So I'll choose first sketch. That's why I create only one first sketch. Now here feature this one. Number of instances 15, equal spacing, and keep offset curve. If we keep transfer, it will go out. See? So always keep offset curve. Say yes. Look. Now let's make upper part. Upper part is 30mm from this one. Then there is one more 10mm long, and this diameter 160mm. This inside diameter you will find 120mm, and there is one hole, 80 diameter hole. This hole we will make. Then this also there is one more hole, 15 diameter hole, and depth 40mm and 52mm. 52 actually is the gap. So I'll choose this face, sketch, circle. Oh, okay, first let me choose diagonal so that we will get easily 80. Enter. Again I'll choose 120. Enter. Okay. Let's extrude. This one I'll extrude up to 30 millimeter upside. Say yes. Again I'll use the same sketch cut, but this time in selected contour I'll choose this inside, and here I'll select up to next. You will see is going to cut up to this end. It's forget to add something, edit feature, and okay, we forget to add here this half end also. That's it. A sketch circle. Now this outer circle is 160 millimeter. This select inside circle, convert entities, extrude. Keep end condition only 10 millimeter blind. See, it's moving upside. A sketch. $15. Now the distance from here to this 52 millimeter. Say yes. Okay. Now we need to define some center line. So simply create a sketch and find center point. Horizontal. Now it is fully defined sketch. Extruded cut, and this depth here shown 40 millimeter. Keep end condition blind, and 40 millimeter is the depth going to create. Now here we need to do something more. Okay. Now for this face, extruded boss base, it's moving in one direction. So click direction 2 also, and in direction 2 up to next. Now that's it. It patches up to here. Let's uncheck so that we will get perfect. Circular pattern. Here we need to choose any circular faces. See, clear, choose hole. We need 8 number of holes, 360-degree equal spacing. Say yes. Now this chapter is finished. Now let's make exit and inlet port. Now here see, this is 200 millimeter from center to here distance, 120 outer flange, 90 this inner flange, and 60 millimeter. This is the hole throughout. See here, and you will see there is 8 number of holes. 10 millimeter hole depth 30, and 37.5 is the distance from here center to hole, and this is also 8 number of holes. So first we need to create a plane. So where is our center plane? Okay, our center plane is not on position. Plane, I'll select 1, 2. Now see a mid plane going to create. Say yes. Now choose this plane, again select plane, and here choose distance 200. See, it's going to create a plane up on 200. Select the plane, sketch, center line. Let's draw one center line so that we will get a center position. Inside hole 60, 90, 120. Okay, let's try each and every one by one. Now in selected contour, I'll choose 1, 2, reverse up to next, up to this wall. Okay. Again let's choose the same sketch, click sketch, extruded boss base. Now this time I'll choose this flange, outer flange. This is 10 millimeter and it's inside. Click inside, say yes. Now the last one is hole, extruded cut. This time I'll choose this and here I'll select to next. If I'm going to choose next, it's going to select inside wall. Now see, the hole is created. A sketch, 10 millimeter this circle, and distance from center to this point 37.5 millimeter. Okay, now I'll choose this point and hold shift key, origin point, horizontal. Now depth is here 30 millimeter, so I'll choose extruded cut. Keep end condition blind and 30 millimeter the depth. Circular pattern, I'll choose here, first choose feature this one, and here you need to choose any axis or any circular rotation. I'll choose this circular face, equal spacing 360, 8 number of instances, say yes. See, the 8 holes are created. Now let's hide those planes. Now it's time to mirror this one, this feature. So I'll choose this mid plane what we created, mirror. Now plane is features to choose here, just drop down 1, 2, 3, okay, 2, 3, 4, and circular pattern also, say yes. Now let's try, okay, all the things are perfectly mirror. Let me hide. Here next thing we need to create this fins. There is 8 number of fins. You will see at bottom 10 mm fin, and there is gap also 10 mm. And the distance of fin is see 8 millimeter from inside one. See, so we will create this one 10 millimeter, then we will use linear pattern to create. I'll select this face, a sketch, center straight slot, I'll choose this slot and this slot. Click here, make cordial. That's it. Now again offset. Set here 8. Select this one. See how it's going to create. Say yes. Okay. Now convert entities. Convert entities, because we need to close the thing. Convert entity. Now we have closed geometry. I'll show you how. Extruded boss base. Now I'll select 1, 2, and this bottom one 3. Okay, these 3 we want to create 10 numbers. Now see, it's moving outside. Make reverse. Merge result. Okay, now see, linear pattern. Here we need to choose axis, so I'll choose this axis. 10 is the distance, 8 number of lobes. Feature, you have to just come down and choose extruded boss base. It is moving wrong direction, so reversed it. And this one keep 20 millimeter, because 10 millimeter is the thickness and 10 millimeter is the gap. So perfectly you will get 8 number of lobes. Say yes. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Look. Okay, so this is the our blower body ready. Let's assign some color. I'll choose some plastic color. Okay, let me save. Root blower. This is part number 1, housing. Okay, so let's make the next part, cover.